very well, actually. When we look at where we're at offensively and defensively and where we've been in the past, we're not as good, but we've learned as much. We're in a learning curve, and so I'm real pleased with what we're learning. We're young, and we're learning, and we're making mistakes, but that's typical of a young team. And it's exciting because we have a lot of fresh faces.
You talked about the fresh faces, the learning and everything. You've won 78 games the last 3 years, but really the core of those teams have moved on. Talk about some of the kids to watch for, that the newer kids and even the returning kids to watch for to keep that winning going.
Well, I think to keep it going, you've got to have a good nucleus of people returning. Laurel Lindsay, I think, spearheads that. She wears 2 championship rings, and she knows what it's about. And then we bring in Val Majeski, who is Division I transfer, and she is starting up at Buffalo, and she understands what it takes. And she's a very intelligent player, very skilled player. So she adds quite a bit right from the start. And then we have freshman of the year, Anya. So our nucleus is really strong. We have a good inside group. We have some young players inside. We have a lot of depth, probably more depth than I've ever had. And so I feel real good about that. And then we have some guards that have come in that are new. We have 2 new international students. And then, of course, we have Hope Mancini back, and we have just some people that are going to be able to contribute minutes and